Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Learn what creates your credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, and it is used by lenders, landlords, insurers, and others to assess your ability to manage financial responsibilities. Credit scores are typically generated by credit reporting agencies based on the information found in your credit report. The most common credit scoring model is the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. Here are the key factors that influence your credit score. Payment history, 35% of your FICO score. This is the most significant factor affecting your credit score. It reflects whether you have a history of making payments on time. Late payments, defaults, and accounts sent to collections can have a negative impact. Credit utilization, 30% of your FICO score. This factor considers how much of your available credit you're using. It's best to keep your credit card balances low in relation to your credit limits. High credit utilization can lower your score. Length of credit history, 15% of your FICO score. This factor looks at how long you've been using credit. A longer credit history generally contributes positively to your score. It considers the age of your oldest account, the average age of all your accounts, and the age of your newest account. Credit mix, 10% of your FICO score. Lenders like to see a mix of different types of credit accounts, such as credit cards, installment loans, like car loans, and mortgages. Having a diverse mix can positively impact your score. New credit inquiries, 10% of your FICO score. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can signal increased credit risk. However, checking your own credit report, a soft inquiry, does not impact your score. Public records and collections, negative public records like bankruptcies, tax liens, and civil judgments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. Accounts sent to collections also have a detrimental effect. Recent activity, this includes factors like opening or closing accounts, recent credit inquiries, and other recent financial activity. Frequent changes or new accounts in a short period can be seen as risky behavior. It's important to note that credit scoring models can vary, and different lenders may use different scoring models when making lending decisions. Additionally, the weight of each factor may differ slightly between scoring models. To maintain a good credit score, it's crucial to make payments on time, avoid excessive credit card debt, and manage your credit responsibly over time. Regularly reviewing your credit report for errors and addressing any issues is also essential in maintaining a healthy credit score. You can obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year through annualcreditreport.com. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.